Romania is located in southeastern Europe. The Balvanio's thermal springs in Transylvania are famous for their healing properties and picturesque setting. The Saxon fortified churches in Transylvania are UNESCO World Heritage Sites known for their medieval architecture. The Maramureș wooden churches in northern Romania are UNESCO World Heritage Sites known for their tall spires and intricate carvings. The Agapia Monastery in Nîmes County is known for its beautiful frescoes and serene atmosphere. The Iași Botanical Garden is one of the oldest botanical gardens in Romania and a popular destination for nature lovers. The Romanian flag consists of 3 vertical stripes: blue, yellow, and red. Romanian cuisine is known for dishes like sarmale and mamaliga. The traditional dance of Romania is called the ora. Romania is known for its beautiful painted monasteries in the north of the country. The Palace of the Parliament in Bucharest is the second largest administrative building in the world. Romanians celebrate Easter, Christmas, and other Christian holidays. The Black Sea coast of Romania is a popular summer destination. Transylvania is a region in Romania famous for its medieval castles and fortresses. Romania is a member of the European Union since 2007. The currency used in Romania is the Romanian leu. Romania has a rich folk art tradition, including pottery, weaving, and wood carving. The Romanian Revolution in 1989 led to the fall of communism in the country. The Romanian language is a Romance language, like French, Italian, and Spanish. The National Day of Romania is celebrated on December 1st. The Palace Castle in Sinaia is one of the most beautiful castles in Europe. The painted churches of northern Moldova are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The Dacian people were an ancient civilization that inhabited the territory of present-day Romania. The Greek historian Herodotus mentioned the Geti, an ancient Thracian tribe that lived in what is now Romania. The Romanian flag is very similar to the flag of Chad, but the shades of blue and yellow are different. The name Romania comes from the Latin word Romanus, meaning citizen of Rome. The Council of Europe was founded in 1949 in Romania's second largest city, Cluj-Napoca. The Romanian Athenaeum in Bucharest is a famous concert hall and an iconic symbol of the city. The Bran Castle, commonly known as Dracula's Castle, is a popular tourist destination in Romania. The Bucegi Mountains are a popular hiking destination in Romania. The Danube Delta in Romania is the second largest and best preserved delta in Europe. The Mary Cemetery in Maramureș is known for its colorful tombstones with humorous epitaphs. The Libiardi Bear Sanctuary in Zarnesti is the largest bear sanctuary in Europe. The Romanian people celebrate Dragobete, a traditional holiday similar to Valentine's Day. The Romanian village of Viscri is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its fortified church. The Romanian education system is based on the Bologna process and offers free tuition for some students. The Iron Gates is a narrow gorge on the Danube River forming part of the border between Romania and Serbia. The Romanian traditional blouse, called IE, is a symbol of national identity and has intricate embroideries. The Turda salt mine in Transylvania has been transformed into an underground amusement park and museum. The Voronezh Monastery in northern Moldova is known for its stunning blue frescoes. The Mary Cemetery in Zapanta is famous for its colorful tombstones depicting the lives of the deceased. The Romanian Peasant Museum in Bucharest showcases the country's traditional folk art and crafts. The Cotroceni Palace in Bucharest is the official residence of the President of Romania. The mud volcanoes in Buzău County are a unique natural phenomenon in Romania. The Enisala Fortress in Dobrogea dates back to the 13th century and offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. The wooden churches of Maramureș are UNESCO World Heritage Sites known for their unique architecture. The Village Museum in Bucharest showcases traditional Romanian village life with original houses and workshops. The Palace of the Brancovina Monastery in Sambata de Sus is a masterpiece of Brancovnesc architecture. The Mocanada steam train in Maramureș offers a scenic ride through the picturesque countryside. The Cismigiu Gardens in Bucharest are a popular green space in the heart of the city. The Ramad Monastery in Alba County is built into a cave and offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The Jurilovka village in the Danube Delta is known for its traditional fishing heritage. The wooden churches of Maramureș are famous for their tall spires and intricate carvings. The Slanik Prahova salt mine is one of the largest salt mines in Europe and offers underground tours. The Bucegi Sphinx is a natural rock formation in the Bucegi Mountains resembling the Great Sphinx of Giza. The Romanian flag features a central coat of arms that includes an eagle holding a cross in its beak. The Dimitri Gusti National Village Museum in Bucharest showcases traditional Romanian architecture and culture. The Sibiu International Theatre Festival is one of the biggest performing arts festivals in Romania. The Romanians have a strong tradition of folklore and storytelling, with characters like Ileana Cosanziana and Dragaica. The oldest wooden church in Romania can be found in the village of Poianălăzei in Maramureș. The mud volcanoes in Pacliul Mare are a natural wonder with bubbling pools of mud and gas emissions. The Astra Museum of Traditional Folk Civilization in Sibiu is the largest open-air museum in Europe. The Corvin Castle in Hunedoara is one of the largest castles in Europe and a popular tourist destination. The Putna Monastery in Bucovina is the final resting place of Stephen the Great, one of Romania's most famous rulers. The Măgura Uroiului cave in Apuseni Mountains is one of the largest caverns in Romania. The Hell's Throat cave in the Bihor Mountains is known for its impressive limestone formations. The Rosia Montana gold mine has been a subject of controversy due to its environmental impact and heritage value.